Yeah, welcome students. In the class of 11th of physical education, now we are going to start unit 10, training and doping in sports. You are watching that there are two words has come in this unit, training and doping. So at first we will discuss about the training. Meaning of training, that to give practical and theoretical knowledge. It means when we have to be start any work with the practical or theoretical knowledge through the specific program or through the systematic way, that process is called the training. And when the training is related to the sports or games activity, or training is related to the physical education field, then it is called the sports training. So in the way of the physical education, there is a very deep meaning of the training or sports training, because training methods are based upon the scientific principles in a systematic order. It is based on various aspects in its process, like specific or individual care and improve specific fitness, and scientific ways, psychological feedback, and technical help, good machines and apparatus, consider the good climate also, good diet, safety means, etc. These are the some important factors which is related to the training, which is related to the sports or games, or the related to the physical education field. So on the behalf of these factors which I told you just now, the training has just started to improve the performance of the individual, and it helps to develop basic skills, advanced skills, techniques, tactics, strategies, emotional stability during competition, motivation, etc. Or we have to say also that these are the methods to improve general and specific program in sports and games field. It gives us knowledge, the practical and theoretical knowledge regarding performance, and also guide us how to improve the further through different ways. And its knowledge is good for coaches as well as important for a player also. So on the behalf of this way, we can improve the performance of an individual. That is called the training. And through the sports training, which is also important to the coaches and to the players also, they can improve their performance regarding the competition or regarding the activity of the games and sports. So this is the brief meaning regarding the training or sports training. Thank you.